7 reasons why you should invest in life insurance. Life insurance is indispensable and fundamental to a sound financial plan. Over the years, life insurance will give you peace of mind, knowing that money would be available to protect your family and estate in a number of ways, including 1. To pay final expenses. The cost of a funeral and burial can easily run into the tens of thousands of dollars, and I don't want my wife, parents, or children to suffer financially in addition to emotionally at my death. 2. To cover children's expenses. Like most parents, I want to be sure my kids are well taken care of and can afford a quality college education. For this reason, additional coverage is absolutely essential while my kids are still at home. 3. To replace the spouse's income. If my wife passed away while the kids were young, I would need to replace her income, which was essential to our lifestyle. I also would need to hire help for domestic tasks we shared, like cleaning the house, laundry, cooking, helping with schoolwork, and carting kids to doctor's visits. 4. To pay off debts. Just because you die doesn't necessarily mean your debts will disappear. In addition to providing income to cover everyday living expenses, your family would need insurance to cover debts like the mortgage, so they wouldn't have to sell the house to stay solvent. 5. To buy a business partner's shares. If you're involved in a business partnership, you need insurance on my partner's life. The reason is, so if he dies, you'll have enough cash to buy his interest from his heirs and pay his share of the company's obligations without having to sell the company itself. He has the same needs due to the risk that you might die, and he simultaneously purchased insurance on my life. 6. To pay off estate taxes. Estate taxes can be steep, so having insurance in place to pay them is essential to avoid jeopardizing assets or funds built for retirement. 7. Build cash value. Whole life insurance allows you to build up cash value over time, an attractive prospect to many people. That cash value acts as an extra cushion that you can tap at any time. This may come in handy if you have a financial emergency down the road. Finally, one of the excuses people tend to make for not buying life insurance is the cost. But truthfully, coverage often ends up pretty affordable for most people. No one can truly predict the future, but having life insurance means you and your loved ones can prepare for any eventuality.